Hello YouTube creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's quite popular among creators looking to scale their channels quickly: buying YouTube watch time. If you're curious about how it works, stick with me till the end of the video. Let's get started. Understanding YouTube watch time. Firstly, let's understand what YouTube watch time is. Simply put, it's the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. It's a crucial metric that YouTube uses to evaluate the popularity and value of your content. Why watch time matters. Watch time is not just a number, it's a key factor that influences YouTube's algorithm. The more watch time your videos accumulate, the more likely they are to be promoted by YouTube, leading to more visibility and growth for your channel. The need for buying watch time. So, why do creators buy watch time? Well, one of the main reasons is to meet YouTube's monetization criteria, which requires 4,000 hours in the past 12 months. By buying watch time, creators can quickly reach this threshold and start earning revenue from their videos. It's also a strategy used to boost video rankings and attract more organic views. How to buy YouTube watch time. Now, let's get to the meat of this video: how to buy YouTube watch time. Platforms like YT Boost 24 offer such services. It's straightforward. You choose a package that suits your needs, provide your channel link, and the platform takes care of the rest, delivering the watch time to your channel. While buying watch time is a legal and accepted practice, it's essential to choose a reliable service. The watch time should come from real users and not bots, as this could violate YouTube's guidelines and harm your channel. So, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.